How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here and welcome back to another auto video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to de-smell your car. Doesn't matter what it smells like, it could be from cigarettes, smoke, to complete garbage. In this video I'll be showing you how to eradicate and make your car smell brand new. Before we get started, just make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe on this video for more. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so first things first, self-explanatory. Clean out your car. Clean it. Clean it, clean it, clean it. Make sure you get down deep into there, between the seats, and pull out any garbage. Also make sure you check under your seats, because you'll be surprised on what you will find. It may sound self-explanatory, like, oh well, I would figure to go look underneath my seats for the rotten garbage, but trust me, people miss so much things. It doesn't hurt to move the seats back. It does not hurt to lift up your seats. 9 out of 10 times people will find what the smell is coming from if you just clean out your car and take some time. A lot of people don't know this, but the second thing is your cabin air filter. It is directly behind the airbag in the glove compartment. My Explorer does not have one. That doesn't mean your car doesn't. So the cabin air filter is a filter in the cabin. That's why it's called a cabin air filter. That when the air comes in through the outside, it comes through to the whole air conditioning system. There's a filter that filters out all the pollen and all that stuff, and then obviously comes out through your vents. If this is clogged, dirty, filth, you're gonna smell what happens to be outside. So, check your owner's manual, go on YouTube like you are now, look up your car and how to change your cabin air filter, because sadly, this is one thing I cannot demonstrate. Okay, so you're a smoker, or you're not a smoker. I don't care, but stop smoking. But alright, let's say that you bought the car and you're, oh my god, it reeks of cigarettes. The most you're gonna find a cigarette smell is on the beams, right up there, and on the seat belt. And if you have carpet seats, the carpet seats. How do you get rid of it, you say? Lightly shampoo or mild soap. You're gonna wanna go up all here with a light brush or a light microfiber towel, soap and water, soap and water, soap and water. And if it's still pretty bad, use baking soda. Let it sit, it'll absorb the smell, and then vacuum it up. It works phenomenally. Even if you have spills, for example, if you spill milk and it's starting to rot, clean it up, baking soda, make sure you leave it in for like a few hours, few minutes, however long you want to leave it, vacuum it up, and redo the process. I do want to apologize for not showing you how to change the cabin air filter. I can't do it because I don't have it, so I want to apologize for that. But as always, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. Make sure you follow my Twitter, my Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.